Teachers, let me present to you a familiar scenario. You've got 30 students, all at different levels, and you're expected to teach them math, literacy, and in today's world, logic and computational thinking. Seems impossible, right? Well, let me show you how to do it without leaving a single student behind. Most early learning STEM tools have one big problem nowadays. They require a device. You need to set up devices, log in, and worry about everything else that could go wrong with a computer. And if you have students with low vision or other learning requirements, all of a sudden you're stressed about having to cater to every single one of your students. Don't worry, we hear your cries for help. So, say hello to KaiBot. KaiBot was built so every student in your class can do the same activity at the same time without needing a device. KaiBot is a hands-on, screen-free coding robot for students aged 5 to 11. Students lay down coding cards, forward, turn, repeat, and KaiBot runs it. Lets students debug their cards right on the table. No student account creation, no typing, just hands-on collaborative coding. And because it follows the Universal Design for Learning framework, we've got options for students who may require more accessibility, tactile braille coding cards, and talkback support. So you don't have to give those students a separate activity. With KaiBot, every student plays the same game. Now, I know what you might be thinking to yourself. I wouldn't even know where to start with teaching all of that. Then we've got that covered for you too. With the purchase of any Kai's Education robot, you gain access to the Kai's Education Learning Portal, a platform that includes over 100 free, state standard aligned lesson plans, focused on making your lessons engaging while students learn to code. But there is more to KaiBot than just teaching coding. Want to make your students love reading and writing? Drop KaiBot into the Literacy Kitchen, and suddenly your classroom comes alive with a gamified way of learning reading and writing. Or how about mathematics? Our lesson portal has a whole program around teaching mathematics with KaiBot. And like Literacy Kitchen, we also offer a gamified way of teaching numeracy to your students with Market Math. Both the Literacy Kitchen and Market Math experiences support both devices and screen-free coding. Students will code KaiBot to the right item on the board, complete the activity, and all of a sudden, you've snuck computational thinking into a completely different lesson, and your students will be having too much fun to even notice. If you want to get more out of KaiBot, we also offer Conundrum, an online space where educators and students can build levels and games for KaiBot to play. Students control KaiBot both physically and virtually, with Conundrum available as a website and app. We recommend starting your students off with the lesson plans, however. Start them off screen-free and then level them up to a device when your students are ready. KaiBot allows for collaboration like no other classroom product. You put 4 to 6 students on the mat, give them coding cards and a KaiBot, and watch the teamwork flourish. And yes, we have thought about the size of your classroom, which is why we make KaiBot classroom packs, which can support up to 30 students. Each classroom pack comes with more than just KaiBots, however. Classroom packs include our magnetic Kai tiles, as well as our advanced coding cards, so your learning can stretch to those particularly talented students. Links to all these products are in the description below. Hopefully we've convinced you to introduce KaiBot into your classroom. If you're still unsure about KaiBot, or have any more questions about any Kai's Education product, then make sure to book a free demo with us to get a full walkthrough with KaiBot and see if it's right for your classroom. Thank you all for watching.